high pressure washer machine has been installed now, and this is the cable. So now I'm going to switch on the switch. Here it is, and now let's see. You can see this. The pressure is very strong, and the sound is also, it's not very loud, you know. It's really cleaning well, you can see. Let me zoom that the tire seat is cleaning really well. So this is how I fix. This is the water, and the water consumption is so very less. It's very economic. See, with just one bucket I'm able to clean half of the vehicle this side. This is how Rescue Tech. So this is an Indian product, and this is the most advanced 101, and 2 years warranty. So I would say that after using this, I love the product, you know. And you can put it here. If you're not using this one, you can put it here. See, this is how you can keep it after using. And the most important thing is, once you stop the trigger, this trigger, if you're not using, then this is auto stop. See, though it's on, the machine is not, the motor is not running. So this is very good.